So when I was in college in Blackpool in photography, there was a previous student, was a fine art photographer called Tony Corey, who lived in Lurgan, who I saw some of his pictures in Blackpool. I wrote him a letter, it was pre-email, and said, "Can I come and visit?" And he kindly invited me to stay for a few days. You're feeling separate, the more the weekend went on. And then the next day we went out walking again, and also Tony said, "Don't ever take out your camera." So it was on me, but it was under my jacket all the time. But the next day I started kind of piecing things together or getting answers, and I noticed on the national estates all the little children were wearing green tracksuits, and on the unionist estates all the little children were on red tracksuits. So there was my answer really. At that very young age, you feel you're different, but you haven't even made your mind up about that. It's a colour's been put on you, and I am this, and they are there, and we are not the same. And so that was what the research I was looking for. So I came away understanding that we have all these different beliefs that we didn't actually make up ourselves. They're inherited beliefs.